Adding good keywords and tags to your Fiverr gig is crucial for improving its visibility and search results and attracting potential clients. Here's how to choose effective keywords and tags for your gig. 1. Research your niche. Start by researching your niche or the specific services you offer. Understand the terminology and phrases that potential clients commonly use when searching for those services. Use relevant keywords. Choose keywords that directly relate to your gig's services. They should accurately represent what you offer. For example, if you offer logo design, relevant keywords might include custom logo design, professional logo designer, and unique logo creation. 3. Long-tail keywords. Consider using long-tail keywords, which are longer and more specific phrases. These can help you target a more focused audience. For example, modern logo design for tech startups is a long-tail keyword. 4. Local keywords, if applicable. If your services are location-specific, include relevant local keywords. For instance, New York SEO services, or London web design. 5. Competitor analysis. Look at similar gigs by successful sellers in your niche. Pay attention to the keywords they use in their gig titles and descriptions. This can give you ideas for effective keywords. 1. Relevance. Tags should be directly related to the services you provide. They should match the keywords in your gig's title and description. Variety. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Broad tags describe your overall service category, while specific tags pinpoint the unique aspects of your gig. For example, if your gig is about social media marketing, social media is a broad tag, while Facebook ads and Instagram marketing are specific tags. 3. Keyword variation. Include variations of your main keywords as tags. This can help capture a wider range of search terms. For instance, if your main keyword is graphic design, you might also use tags like graphic designer, design services, and creative design. 4. Avoid overused tags. Don't use tags that are too generic or overused, as your gig may get lost in a sea of similar gigs. Be specific and selective. 5. Use all available tags. Fiverr allows you to add multiple tags to your gig, so make use of this feature. Utilize as many relevant tags as possible to increase the chances of your gig showing up in various search results. 6. Regularly update tags. Over time, you can update your gig's tags based on changing trends and client feedback. Stay current with industry terms and adapt your tags accordingly. 7. Analyze performance. Keep an eye on your gig's performance and monitor which keywords and tags are driving the most traffic and conversions. Adjust your keywords and tags as needed based on this data. Remember that optimizing your gig's keywords and tags is an ongoing process. Be prepared to make adjustments and refinements as you gain more experience and insights on Fiverr. Additionally, always maintain transparency and honesty in your gig by ensuring that your chosen keywords and tags accurately represent your services.